Welcome back, GlowFit family. Today's workout is all about building upper body strength and sculpting your abs. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Push to downward dog. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Start in a high plank position, hands under shoulders. Lower yourself into a push-up, then press up. As you extend your arms, push your hips back into a downward dog position. Return to plank and repeat. Tip: focus on controlling your movements rather than speed to get the most out of this exercise. Exercise 2. Lying knee to elbow. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Lift your legs and bring your right knee to your left elbow. Switch sides and repeat in a smooth motion. Tip: engage your core muscles and avoid pulling your neck. Exercise 3. Plank shoulder tape. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Start in a high plank position. Lift your right hand to tap your left shoulder, then switch. Keep your hips as stable as possible. Tip: widen your stance for better balance and control. Exercise 4. Russion Twist. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Sit on the floor, lean back slightly. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left. Keep your core engaged and back straight. Tip: for more challenge, hold a lightweight object while twisting. Exercise 5. Closed push-up. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Start in a push-up position, hands close together. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up and repeat. Tip: keep your elbows close to your body for better triceps activation. Exercise 6. Mountain climber. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Start in a high plank position. Bring your knees toward your chest in a running motion. Keep your pace steady and controlled. Tip: maintain a flat back to avoid unnecessary pressure on your lower spine. Exercise 7, push-up plank. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Start in a high plank position. Lower onto your forearms, then press back up to plank. Keep alternating arms. Tip: engage your core to stabilize your movements. Exercise 8, side plank. Do this exercise for 30 seconds each side. How to do it? Lie on your side, stack your feet. Lift your hips, forming a straight line from head to feet. Hold the position while breathing steadily. Tip: if needed, place your bottom knee on the ground for extra support. Exercise 9, Spider-Man plank crunch. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Start in a forearm plank position. Bring your right knee towards your right elbow. Switch sides and repeat. Tip: move slowly to maximize core engagement. Exercise 10, scissor exercise. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Lie on your back, legs extended. Lift both legs slightly, then cross them over each other in a scissor motion. Tip: keep your lower back pressed against the floor. Exercise 11, bicycle crunch. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Bring your right elbow to left knee, then switch. Continue in a fluid motion. Tip: avoid jerking your neck. Focus on core engagement. Exercise 12, dive bomber with cobra pose. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. How to do it? Start in a downward dog position. Lower your chest toward the floor, sweeping forward into cobra pose. Reverse the motion back to downward dog and repeat. Tip: keep the movement fluid and controlled for better flexibility. Great job, GlowFit family. Your upper body and core are getting stronger with every session. Keep challenging yourself, and remember to watch this video multiple times to perfect the form and build strength over time. Stay consistent. Place your device in front of you and follow along to complete the 30-day bodyweight challenge. I'll see you in the next workout.